We've been using Masterspec about 15 years across our projects. We've got 4 guys here, so projects aren't high turnover, but we use a template of that so we can roll them out reasonably efficiently while being still quite a comprehensive document. During the design process, we pretty well know what materials we're going to be using and how they're used. So we compile all the information as we go and then finish the end document once the project's ready to go to consent and out to builders for tendering. Yeah, we have a whole bunch of favourites with our templates, and we'll compile them and then use the right template for the type of job we've done, whether it's a renovation or a new house, so we can mix and match between those, and then anything of the new products we can source and bring in reasonably easily, so keeps that simple. Yeah, it's super simple to use. The online version is a great change for us because we don't have to build a document from the start. We can reuse them and get the information pretty quickly without taking days. It's so much simpler. It's just real fast once we've got our template sorted out. It's awesome. We're always on the lookout for new products the whole time, trying to figure out who's got the best system that we want to specify and be fully comfortable with both cost and product and longevity of the product. So we are extremely happy when you see it is on Masterspec, because we can bring that in, shape it around to how we want it, and then that's ready to go for the projects going forward. And once we're in there, we don't often change the systematic products that we use that are the main ones that we're mostly concerned about with the durability side of things. So if we've got all that information there, then it's just ready to go for the future and all the other jobs we've got coming up. Yeah, we do have a couple of masters in the online library that we'll build from. We won't repurpose old jobs. We have a new one because all the sections update themselves, which is really cool. That's the online change that we really liked. So we've got current information. We'll leave those in the catalogue, the older ones, and then keep making the existing one we've got better and better as we go along. It's really important for us to keep the information up to date. The amount of changing going on at council and through MB and all those guys, that a current specification for us, if we really need it at a crunch time when things don't go to plan, then we're really happy that it is current and up to date and very concise. We find Masterspec's super easy to use across our whole team. So we don't need to be locked into the office because it's all online and we can log in, and then that is stored in the cloud. So for us to have the history cloud-based and making it accessible from anywhere in the world, basically, it just saves us time and gives us really good, clear information from our suppliers and people we're using. So it's always on hand and we're not left guessing or being uncertain on how it works or what we need to achieve with our projects. When we find our products that we want to use, when we look to see if it's on Masterspec, it's a big advantage for us. It takes a lot of work out and it makes it a lot more concise of all the back history and the workings of the technical side of the products that have been done for us. It makes our job easy. The timing doesn't always work out how we want it to. If we're in a bit of a rush or left at last minute, which can happen quite a bit, but if we've got it all synced up, we've already pre-checked it, we know that the section is pre-organised. We can just simply dump it straight into the spec and it's all sorted.